Golden State Fishing here. Just got the Silverwood. They stocked yesterday. Let's see how it's going. Here we go. First cast. Hell yeah.
Oh, they're right here. 10 of them right here.
Throw that way more, babe. Throw left. Throw right. Yeah, go that way. Oh, I see him jumping out there. Hell yeah. Just got the Silverwood, Golden State Fishing. They're catching them on my jigs. Double. Look at that nice one she's got. There you go. See?
Oh, you almost had triples. You almost had triples.
Look at that. Kelly and Danny just got one doubled up. They just got here. Already killing it. Killing it this morning already. There you go. Kai's got one on over there.
Well, if we hold down this spot, bro, it's going to be on. What do you think? I don't know. I let my... For good luck.
There you go. Danny's got another one on. See, here you go, dude. Here's a slaying day for you. He's been waiting for one of these. He's been waiting for one of these, though. Fuck.
Still doing that slow roll? Yeah.
Hell yeah. Double hookup. Both the girls got one on. Both girls got one on. First in the morning.
Hey, triple.
Golden State Fishing. I just got hammered. I didn't even...
And the water's cold. Wait a minute. Come on, buddy. You're going back home.
Alright. I think I might switch 1 second though. Golden State Fishing. We all have different colors on, literally. Golden State Fishing. Golden State Fishing mini jig. Yeah, that's me. There you go. Mini jigs. Golden State Fishing mini jigs.
Are you using jigs?
I'm using a little spinner.
There you go.
Hey, the rooster tails were killing it yesterday. That's kind of what I'm using. They were chasing it all the way to, yeah. All
There we go.
right there. Oh, I told you they were right here. Yeah, I told you. Yeah, I brought those kids good luck. I passed that.
Oh, you got it. Oh, he had it in his mouth.
Easy release, right?
Oh, missed it.
Dude, they're right here, babe. They're right here, like by the ton.
Diagonally. You're gonna have all those people on the docks, but as long as we hold the fort, we're good. Dude, they stay over there and they stay over here. Oh my God, right at that big one. Did you see him? That cool.
Yeah. Yep.
There's at least 100 at least. Yeah, put him in the net. I don't know what to do. Is it worth coming?
Hell yeah.
There's enough. We got a big
There we go. There we go.
We got a big enough pot right here, bro.
Pot licking. Golden State Fishing. Killing this morning at Silverwood, all of us. Golden State Fishing crew. A little baby though.
Yeah, the little dinks are still up there.
There was a couple nice ones in that pack though.
Oh, dude, there's a couple. Oh, right there, he was chasing.
That one was like 2-3 pounds right there that fucking went by. There we go. There's another one.
There you go. I just need one. He got it. Oh, I'm still recording. I got you.
There we go.
You want to post you on it?
Got another one. Killing it right now. All of us got like 2-3 each.
Hi, man. What's your Instagram?
6776.
Where do you live in Asperia too, or what?
Slaying it here.
Hell yeah, he lives in Asperia. Lives in Asperia too,
Yeah,
so
locals. All
I know.
Locals.
Hell yeah.
Here out here. The crew over there.
Shot like crazy.
Low memory. I hate when that says that, bro. These damn videos.
Hell yeah.
At least I got a gang of videos already. And that water's nice and crisp. I came over here, bro, and there's about 200 of them stacked right there. They kind of migrated a little bit that way, though.
I saw a couple in the back side already.
Yeah, they were, dude, right at our feet a second ago.
Oh, yeah. They're going to, that's what I said, cast that diagonal.
Yeah, I am. That's how I caught that one, I know.
On the diagonal?
Yep.
Yesterday, bro, I was catching them all right here. Watch, look.
Yeah, see, that's why I'm glad we wear waders, though, so we can pass all this gook.
Oh, I got him.
There you go.
Right there.
Hell yeah. Matt's got another one on. Golden State Fishing.
Golden State. On the cotton candy. Didn't even have to switch colors, dude. Woo, he woke up.
Oh. Come on,
He
Hedgie.
woke up, dude.
I just got hit like a motherfucker.
You just got hit tag.
Fuck yeah. Oh,
right
he was
there.
pulling it sideways. He said.
Yeah, that's why I watched the line, bro. Do you see how
Hell yeah. No, always.
I didn't even feel the bite. I just see it go sideways. Chase it. Oh, yeah.
The retreat last week?
Fisherman's Retreat?
Yeah, because I'd never been there, right? And Jess Ranch had stopped. Dude, Jess Ranch stopped it.
Oh, yeah, they're...
But Jess Ranch fish at their own look good, right?
Oh, yeah. They have their quality. They have a quality, like, tank.
There we go.
Breeding tank.
There's another one.
And then they have their, like, stocker what they sell. Oh, got him. Doubles.
Double hook
Doubles
up.
over here. Look at all those guys turned that way. They must see the school. Hey, if all their backs are turned that way, they must see fish. Look. Oh, this one has a fight, dude.
There we
A
go.
little bit of muscle.
Doubles. You met.
Oh, she was deep. She was fighting good. Oh,
Triple.
Triples. Get that on right there.
I got it. Look at that. Triples.
Triples over here. Oh,
Quads.
quads over here, bro. Oh, this is a healthy one. He just got off.
This one is too.
Look at this little pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're still fun.
Decent sized states. They can't put the really small ones usually because the fucking striper will just chew them up. Yeah. They'll swallow them whole.
Well, the swim bait I was throwing was a little bit smaller than this, and dude, that thing got annihilated.
There we go. Another one. Golden State Fishing on Golden State Fishing mini jig.
All next to each other, just side by side. Up and then one. I must have caught 40. Must have got 40 right there, dude. That's the juice. The juice right there, dude. I'm not million. I'd say they did 750 and they're all about a pound. I've taken off 50. I did 700 fish in the first week. A couple hundred got caught. At least we were smart to bring the waiter.
Yeah, that's why I said I was
Is the water cold over there?
get in front of the weed line.
A little bit. Going about another foot. Past the satchel.
You'll freeze your balls off.
Past a little satchel, and then it gets cold once you put dunk in the water.
Hook it up.
Daniel,
That's a decent one at
how
least.
many did you catch?
Golden State Fish, another one on. All of us are catching right here again. Silverwood. Look at that. Double, triple, whatever.
Hurry up.
Oh, you had to get in the goop, didn't you? Look at that.
Are you on another?
Yep. Oh, they're like right in front of us right here.
There's like a...
That's two right here.
Go on that side of him.
Come over here. Come over here.
She's keeping track. She's like, fuck no, you're not beating me today. She's gonna make you sit in the truck. So give me your rod.
Yeah, I'm 5.
There's another one.
I don't want to scare them off. Watch, I start stomping and they start going over by Rachel and she kisses all of them. So much weed over here, huh?
Yeah, go out in front of all that. Bass Master McKenzie. There goes another one. Golden State Fishing.
Oh, man, I'm pretty sadly getting...
There you go. Kelly's got another one on. That's like her third or fourth one. Look at that. Danny and freaking Kelly getting it done today.
Golden State Fishing men up.
Golden State Fishing mini jigs. They're catching them on.
I just got my hook.
No.
Girl's got another one on. That's like her third or fourth. Right over there. Killing it today at Silverwood.
Hey, the bite is so subtle. You almost have to just watch your jig.
Golden State Fish, another one on. We're just killing it this morning. Another one. Doubles.
I almost got double.
Doubles. My girl's going on too. Watch out. Oh, he's under. You're right. There we go. Doubles.
Look it.
Triples. Me, Matt, my girl.
Uh-oh.
Golden State Fishing.
Right here.
It's like got some weight to it.
There's some decent ones in that.
On that side of you or like
No, right here. Both.
Rach, how many is that?
Right here.
5, 6, 5?
Cast out right here.
There you go.
Cast right where he
Dude, this thing's got a really fat belly.
Oh, he swallowed it.
You did?
Like,
Okay.
full on swallowed.
Okay, we're going to get him out of it. I have to get him off first, though.
swam up to it, bit it, and
I knew
There we go.
Daddy!
There you go. Look at that triple, quadruple. I don't know. I don't know what you call it when you got like 10 people hooked up. And Kelly's got another one on right there. We're just killing it this morning. Oh, between your legs, babe. Look at that. He's got one on too. Just killing it. Oh, the fish was bumping me.
For helping me, that was awesome.
oh, got him.
See, there we go.
I told you.
Look at that. 5 fish right here. 5 fish between the 5 of us. It's killing it. Silverwood Lake, Golden State Fishing. There you go, bro. Your first slaying. Golden State Fishing. Danny's got another one on over there. We're just slaying it this morning.
Oh, the cotton candy one.
Hell yeah.
That's the one I was killing. I switched to this like kind of gray.
Nice. Killing it now. Golden State fishing. Right here. Look at that fucking. Look at it. See them all? It's a fish tank. Look at it. Look at it. There you go. Doubles. I'm underneath you. Doubles.
Hey, I guess in the dictionary, it means a person who fishes over another person's spot.
In the dictionary. Golden State fish, another one. And kind of just back to back. Calm yourself. She don't like moving around like that. Hey, they're all right here to your left, you guys. Look, right here. All of them are right here. There's like a pile of them right there. Dude. Look at. Oh! Oh, hit his mouth. Come on. There you go. Oh, fucker. There you go. God's got another one. This is silly today. Yeah, they're all just in front of this muck right here, dude. They're all in front of this stuff right here. They're just sitting there. Look at it, right there. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 7 right there. Yeah, you just catch it right in the middle. Just go slow. Go slow. Go slow. There you go. He's got one. Nice. Danny's got another one on. I've been waiting to slay with these two.
It's about time.
Now they're getting them. Now they know what a slaying day feels like. Look at it. Look at it. There's another one. You good, dude? Don't hook me. Alright, go Golden State fishing.
They really bite it so quick and then they just leave. I think it's cool, did they?
There.
They're out there. You can see them. I can't. I don't got glasses on. I see them right there. Or was that you?
Oh, that was me.
Oh.
There's another one. I think they went left. Somewhere right there. There's another one. I don't know. It's like 10 or more. Good morning. All of us caught a lot.
Yeah, it was fun this morning.
There you go. Golden State fishing. God damn it, I keep doing that, dude. Putting a fucking reel in the water. Yeah, that's a good way to fucking... No way. I lose this reel, I'm fucking missing some bills. Nice. Another one. It's like 11 or 12. Killing it. Golden State fishing. Cast out right there. Go over there and cast out.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Oh no. Is there a hole in
Another one. You'll be alright. It's not that bad. It's not that deep. Dude, they're all, look at them all right there. You see all the black spots everywhere?
Yeah. I just don't want to cast in front of this.
Golden State fishing. Got another one. That's like 20 something. I don't know. I've turned off the camera for a long time. There you go. It's like 20 for the day, somewhere around there. Absolute killing. Look at him right here. Look at it. See him? There you go. Another one on.
Hey, is that a good spot over there?
Yeah, it's working. Golden State Fish, another one on. Killing it over here today. Silverwood. Everyone catching a Golden State Fishing mini jigs. Another one. Golden State Fishing. This one's decent. Hey, babe. Come get in here. You'll be alright. Golden State Fishing. Dark ugly guy.
Oh, there's a big one coming
Oh, this one's decent right here, too. Hey. Dude, you're gonna get the camera. Knock it up, bro. Christ, I got a little more. Another one, Golden State Fishing. That's like 20 something, 25, somewhere in there. Killing it. Kelly's got another one on. Golden State Fishing mini jigs. She's having the day of her life today. I think they got like almost 30 together.
On the black.
Oh, on the black Golden State Fishing mini jig. Look at that. There you go. Hell yeah. See if we can catch a couple more before the day's over with. It's only like 12 or so though, or 1. A couple more.